We got a full tank of gas, a half pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're in sunglasses. Hit it!
This is awesome.
Watch us become on life.
Landed to Mecum auction. Right now it's just me. This is a small little clip I decided to throw in as a transition. Enjoy. What are we doing, Johnny?
Dude,
Mecum.
we're at Mecum.
We made it?
We made it. Yo. Look at this. Oh my god.
Holy cow.
Oh my god.
Yo, we're at Mecum auction.
17, 20, give me 2, 122, give me 5, 25, 22, 23, 23.
If you look at this car, it sold for what, 16? Yeah, it looks like a nice car from the outside, but if you look at the inside of the bed, there's rust. Inside the bed wasn't even finished. If you look down the body line, you can tell that I could see some dents. It wasn't straight. I mean, it was painted, yeah, maybe in the 80s or 90s. The buff job was crap.
It's a rubber chassis, so the body's in the background somewhere.
One guy, and he was getting close to the end of his life, you know, and we painted it.
This big Lincoln from a guy.
Oh, wow.
A 14.
Yes.
Is this Johnny?
This stings like a bee and floats like a Cadillac. I tell you what. Like, if I was Boss Hog, I'd choose this. I'd put bull horns right there on the front, and I'd be whipping this thing.
I could see you pimping out in this. That's cool. Looks almost like a Jeep. Oh my lord.
Yeah? Wow.
I'm gonna get back to my wife. Because
So, 16 pounds of $500, 16 pound Frank Brewer, 3 pounds an hour, 4 pounds an hour bed, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds.
When you look at the restorations, usually the edges are where they mess up the most, where you
This
might
is
see.
factory.
I know, but just with those other ones, and they look pretty good. They didn't look perfect or anything, but
Well, this is Saturday collection. That was Friday collection over there.
this is Saturday collection.
Look at the sign. It's a Saturday. Over there said Friday.
Look at that.
This
is something we would do. Both of these.
Look at that.
I don't know how I
That's
feel
bitchin'.
about that.
That's bitchin'. It's hydraulic.
That is cool. You're just driving down the road.
Hydraulic.
You could see where they buff polished and didn't get in it.
Depends on when
Compound.
it was restored.
That's definitely compound,
They barely dusted it off.
right? This is a big Mustang. 69, 73.
It's surprising to me. You're not wrong. It's every time I go to Mecum or Barrett Jackson.
Yo, look at this recent Camaro. This thing's beefed up in the back, super wide body. Yeah, buddy, look at that truck. It doesn't get any better than that. Mecum's going great.
4,045.
I had the 96 LT one, and it was everything you could
Yeah,
for the.
you got to have that thing pointed in the right direction at all times. Get back in to get out. I'm not a removable hardtop guy. I'm a target guy.
That's what I had.
Yeah, it's so simple. So simple. I'm not a convertible guy, and this is too much effort for an old guy like me. A young guy like you, hell, you lift that up. You work out with that thing.
Johnny Content, you and Mecum.
$90,000 pair of line, $90,000 account, $90,000. Thank you. Sold $87,000. Sold $87,000 Spain. June 12, internet 13, 15, 16, 17 bid. I now leave 10 to 2. I need to get 2 and 70 bid, 72 down to the bid. And so reserve is off 75, and you're get 77. Sold $75,000 front line bid. $6,000 bid. You get $25,000. Now to the bid 6, minus $6,000 bid. And down 7, and down 7 bid. Now to get 27. I need to get 7 to 7, now to get 20,000 bid.
I'm gonna sneak with you guys. If anyone asks, I'm with you guys. You're good, thank you. Thank you.
No, no one.
45,000. 40, if you're thinking about it, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do 40. I got 40 over here, 44. 44. Car sales on 147,000. Yes or no, Paul? So, $45,000. So, $45,000. You want 82. I'm going to get 82,000. I'm going to get 2, 3. I'm going to get 82, 3. I'm going to get 83. Adam, yes or no? 183. Sold 82,000 dollars Brian Bird. Bought at 133.
Yo, what are we up to?
Eating after a good day of hard work.